you are watching Haryali Online. Today in Haryali Online, I am with this beautiful plant. This is the philodendron, and you know I love the philodendron because it has lots of colors, shape, shades, and this is enough to maintain your garden. So the variety of philodendron is being discussed in front of you all. This is the painted lady. So viewers, as you know, these days we are facing very harsh sunlights and it is too hot. That's why our plants are also very disturbed, and I'm getting lots of queries in this account that our aroids especially are very disturbed, and some people definitely have lost them. How can you maintain your plants? How can you set your plants again in your gardens, in your terrace, at your home? So do remember, I will tell you everything in steps. So you should have a pen and diary in your hand to note some points what can be beneficial for you. So first of all, I will discuss about its light. Philodendron painted lady, even all the varieties of philodendron, prefers bright indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, while low light may slow down its growth. You always place it near a window where it can receive filtered sunlight, or use artificial grow light if natural light is limited at your home, because normally we live in apartments and this type of area where we not get the proper sunlight. So we have to arrange, if we are having plant at home, we have to arrange the artificial light for this. And do remember that continue, if you keep any plant indoors, so it will definitely stop its growth. It is very important to change its place. If continue you keep any plant in your room, in the lounge, anywhere, so you have to keep it out, so it will have some fresh air, fresh light, then it will start its growth. It will be fresh, it will feel healthy, and it will give you the good response. The next point will be about its water schedule. It is very important. You should know how to water this plant. Water the plant when the top inches of soil feels dry to touch. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Then ensure proper drainage into the pot to prevent waterlogging. And the most important, you must know what the weather is. So during the winter or cooler months, reduce watering frequency as the plant's growth slows down. Philodendrons like misting a lot, so with the help of normal spray bottle you can mist your plants on daily basis. The point number 3 is about its soil media, which is also so important for this. So use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. A mix of peat moss, perlite, coco chung works well for philodendrons. You can also add a bit of sand to improve its drainage system. Now we'll discuss about its fertilizers. Feed the plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, which are spring and summer. Dilute the fertilizer to half its strength to avoid burning the roots. This is very important point. Avoid fertilizing during the dormant season, fall and winter normally, when the plant's growth slows down. Now what is the dormancy? Actually, when your plant want to have some rest, this time period is called dormancy. When your plant never want fertilizer, never want high water. It needs water to be alive only. It's time to repot your plants. Do you know at what time philodendrons can be repotted? Actually, when you see it's getting root bounded, normally it happens in 1 to 2 years that we need to change our phyllo's pot, but it depends the growth which you are having at your home. So when you see root bounded plant, so you have to definitely change its planter. Now choose a slightly larger pot with good drainage holes. You do not have to think that you have to provide the good size of planter and your plant will be happy. No, because high amount of media will get the high amount of water. High amount of water will be very much for your roots, and your roots will not be able to absorb all of it. So in that case, water will be in the media will be wet, and it will be the cause of root rot. Now in what weather you should transfer the plant into new pot? Repotting is always best done in spring when the plant is actively growing. In growing season, you have to touch your plant in this type of activity. In the dormancy, you will not have to touch your plant, otherwise you will lose your plant. So my dear viewers, these all points are very important for the Phyllo's variety. If you follow them, you will also have the good plant at your home. If you have some more question, you may comment me. Take the very best care of yourself. Thank you.